Vanakkam, welcome to my channel Thrive with Selvi. Today I am going to cook butter chicken. Butter chicken, which is traditionally known as murg makhani, is a classic Indian dish originated in Delhi. It is a delicious dish made by simmering marinated grilled chicken cubes in a spicy, aromatic and creamy tomato gravy. It is a very popular dish all over the world. Indians took this dish across the world and made it internationally known and loved. I'm going to show you how to cook this dish in a simple and easy way. In restaurants, they use a lot of cream to make it very rich. Today I'm going to cook in a home style with less butter and less cream. This side of the ingredients are for the marination and this side of ingredients are for the gravy. So the ingredients lists are in the description as well as in the screen. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken. So this is 1 pound of chicken cut into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to add the spices, ginger and garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and lemon juice and the yogurt. I'm going to add little salt. I'm going to mix it well. And now I'm going to marinate this. I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now the marinated chicken is ready to cook. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add canola oil. Use any oil for sauteing the chicken. Once the oil is hot, you can add the marinated chicken. Saute the chicken in a medium to high heat, not very high. You have to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until all the sauce gets absorbed and the chicken becomes dry. So it is still not yet dry, but all the sauce has been absorbed now. So keep sauteing it. Now the chicken pieces are ready. The chicken pieces should be roasted like this and it should be dry like this. The masala in the chicken pieces should be roasted like this. At this stage, we can take out the chicken pieces and we can keep it aside, and now we can start making the gravy. So now the pan is hot. I'm going to add the butter. So I have like 2 tablespoons of butter. Initially I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add the spices, the cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and the bay leaves. And now I'm going to add the chopped onions. I'm going to add pinch of salt. Whenever we saute onions, if we add pinch of salt, it will help the onions to cook faster. I'm also going to add the chilies. Once the onion is translucent and start turning to brown, now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. At this stage, I'm going to add the remaining butter. Once the ginger garlic paste is cooked, now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are mushy and cooked well, we are going to add the tomato paste. Mix well and saute for a minute so the raw tomato sauce smell will go away. After 1 minute, I am going to add all the spices: chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and the garam masala. Mix well so the spices get blended into the sauce. And now we have to add water. We can add maybe around a cup, 1 to 1.5 cups of water. We should allow it to boil for up to 5 minutes. And you can add some salt. Now once the gravy is thick, slightly thick, now you can add the grilled chicken pieces. And cook for 2 minutes. And now we can add the fresh cream at the end. Now the butter chicken is ready and we can garnish it with the cilantro. Now we are going to try the butter chicken. I am going to try it with jeera rice and naan. It tastes so good and delicious with the perfect creamy tomato sauce, and the grilled chicken is also cooked very well. So the butter chicken goes very well with the naan and jeera rice, and try it and enjoy it with your family and friends. I am going to share the jeera rice recipe in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you all soon with more exciting recipes.